Welcome to Total Television. I'm Brian Dolby and I'm talking to Dave Crossley, who is the VP for Business Development for Metrico. Dave, hello there. Tell us about Metrico and what you do in the market.
Yeah, so Metrico, we are a company focused on improving the mobile experience. We work with operators and device manufacturers to deliver that. We help identify performance issues around things that real subscribers would experience on their phones. How well is the phone placing calls, retaining calls, what sort of web browsing speeds and experience is it offering. And our goal ultimately is to deliver improved quality devices to the industry.
Now, I know you're the market leaders in the US, and you've already gone through the experience to some degree of the first sort of 4G devices. What are some of the lessons that Europe's got coming to learn?
Yeah, so in the US, we have a program called ME, and we have measured, I think, of the order of about 400 devices on the four major operators there. And so, most recently, the first wave of 4G devices. So, what we've found is some of the speeds have been, exceptional. We've seen speeds well in excess of 2-3 times equivalent 3G device speeds. But at the same time, there has been criticism in the press in the States of, what exactly is 4G product and services? What are these devices delivering? And how are they differentiated from 3G?
And what do you think they will be? What do you think, for example, will be the defining customer experience of 4G? They'll look back and say, yes, 4G gave us this.
Yeah, well, in the same way that 2G was about voice, 3G was primarily about reliable data, browsing, email. We believe 4G will be about mobile video streaming. In fact, there are studies saying of the order of 2/3 of mobile data traffic by the year 2014 will be video streaming.
And how do you think the industry can work together to make sure that the customer experience of 4G is positive?
Well, I think a lot of it is around integration of the devices and the networks. It's about the end-to-end testing of these platforms, but it's also about testing in real-world environments. A lot of what we find and do at Metrico is about stressing devices in the real world, doing what real customers would do, and as opposed to more sort of traditional approaches which tend to isolate each service.
Okay, well, Dave, thanks for talking to us. And when I get my 4G device, I hope it's going to be Metrico approved.
Excellent. Thank you very much.